Welcome to Rajasasila Holistics. Let's check the energies for Taurians. This week I am doing along with tarot reading, I am doing a yes or no session. In this yes or no session, what you need to do is, what all are your questions, you just write in a paper and keep it. 3 questions I will do at the end of the session. I will be doing 3 questions. In it you can write your problem and keep it. And when I do question 1, you take your first question and you compare it. And second question likewise we will do, so you need to wait till the end of the session. The first card for you is Temperance. This card suggests that you need to be with balance and patience. Things are moving slowly in your way, but overwhelming and thinking too much is not, excitements are not for you. You have to be in balance and grounded. That's what this card says. The Hanged Man says at present you are not in a happy position. You are not able to take any decision. This card also suggests you to be balanced. And the 9 of Swords says that you are guilty of some thing happened in the recent past, or alternatively you are overthinking of some issue and you are making yourself not happy. And 8 of Pentacles says that you need to work hard with patience. That's what this card says. And Ace of Pentacles says that help from the higher realms are there. You need to be with patience and balanced, so you will get help and all. And 10 of Wands says again hard work is there. These 2 cards says you need to work hard. Working hard doesn't mean that physically you need to work hard. Sometimes some emotions pour into you in such a way that you have to balance it. That is also a great hard work that you need to do. And 3 of Wands says that things are going in a smoother phase and good news and good things are on their way. See this week which is the higher context, whether it is love or finance. Cup card, so it is a finance card. And love also not ruled out, because cups have the greatest significance of emotions. But 9 of Cups, when it comes, mostly we refer it to for finances because it is in a comfortable position. So most of them are related to finances. So that's the thing, guys. So this week how it is, we will see. Fake. Things are fake from outside. You need to be calm. Quadrivium, you are in a junction. Flower, things will bloom. Peace, you need to keep peace, calm and peace, same as Temperance. Joy is there for you, need not worry. This card, all these 2 cards says that joy is there. You will be elated by the end of this week. And hello, some good news is there. Ace of Pentacles also says some good news and help is there. Someone may call you and say hello to help you. So these are the things from there. Now let's check the yes or no session. So now the yes or no session. First question of Taurians. Judgment. Yes card. It's a yes card. It says that from long time what you were waiting for, it will be given. So it is a very good card, a yes card for you. A second question is of your question, 4 of Cups, a no card, because there will be resistance from your side. Even you get an opportunity, you will not do it. So it is a no card. And the third card is the Bird. So things are changing. It is a yes card. Your third question is yes. So the first question is yes, second question is no, and third question is yes. So if you like our channel, kindly like, share and subscribe.